Welcome to Take Two Creations, another episode with Ketna and Manoj. And today we are bringing to you a very original topic, something that Manoj has actually cooked up in his brain, literally cooked up, and he theorizes it as like a brain theory. And I think I have heard it many times, and I'm tired of it. And mostly because I don't understand it. But he keeps telling it to me, and I think I wanted to bring that theory to all of you. So I have finally convinced him to talk to you guys about it. So if you understand, or any of you understand his brain theory, please explain it to me because I don't understand.
Come
So
on,
off to you, Manoj. Please
it's
go
not
ahead.
that it's not that bad. Come on.
Yes, it is.
I have tried to explain it to several people, and because I come from computer background, I have a little bit of technical background, so I could relate how the brain operates in terms of how the computer operates, right? So I made up this analogy how our brain works and how computers work, right? Because almost everybody uses computer every day. Not everybody uses their brain. So I thought it will be easier to explain how the brain works. So
Okay. Okay. So brain is equal to a computer. Got it.
something
Okay.
like that.
Or
Yes, you
something
got
like
it.
that. Got it.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Next.
So just to explain it better to people, if I just keep on talking, it will be very difficult to understand, right? So what I did today, I created a PowerPoint presentation that I can share with you guys, and
Wow. You
you
cooked
will
that
be
up too?
yes. So
Wow.
here we go. So remember, you just said brain is equal to computer, but I call it brain. The actual physical brain is equal to CPU. CPU is जो कंप्यूटर में जो चिप होती है जिसे कहते हैं कि सारा उसका ब्रेन होता है एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन जो होता है उसे कहते हैं सीपीयू राइट
So
तो
the brain of the computer is equal to our brain.
physical brain. And when we are born, there is a little bit of brain, and that evolves over a period of time. Physically, I'm talking about, right? Whatever number of years it takes. I'm not a medical scientist. I have no knowledge exactly how long it takes, but it takes a few years for a brain to totally develop. And as you can see, the picture is there and all that. Between the two, if analogy is so good, it looks like whoever designed computers thought of brain, how brain operates, and exactly that's the theory that I am trying to explain. That like in brain, your signals are passed through from nerve endings or synapses or whatever it's called, and through chemical reactions, right? So chemical pass from one neuron to the other neuron, and then it makes other things work. That's exactly how the CPU works, right? The CPU made instructions are fed in, and it passes the signal in electric format. So every electric signal is in the form of binary 0 and 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So that's how things operate. So that's technical. I'm not going to go too much into that, but the only thing I wanted to say is, as you remember, some people who bought their laptop in 90s and have never changed it, that laptop is still operating at that level. Nowadays, people are buying phones, right? Phones are equivalent to computers nowadays, almost, right? So you can change your phone whenever it breaks or whenever you have extra money to throw away. So you just change it to a new model. The problem with brain is you cannot change your physical brain. You cannot go to AT&T and Verizon store and say, "Hey, I want to buy another brain." So that has not happened yet.
Yep.
So physical, whatever we have developed as a child or over the number of years, the physical aspect stays the same. It can get damaged for sure, just like a phone. You drop it here and there, it can get damaged. The same way, your physical brain can get damaged also, right? So you see the analogy? Now you get it? Okay,
yes,
good.
Get it.
Now take the physical aspect of the brain away, right?
Mm-hmm.
तो एक कंप्यूटर में you have operating system. Just like on your laptop, you have Windows. Some people have Mac. They have a system, and Android. Samsung phones have Android system. So these are multiple operating systems. So anybody and everybody can develop their own operating system and start using it. And there are, as you can see the other picture, there are lots of these kind of operating systems are developed. Now, operating system is like कि जो signals हैं उनको एक्शन में कन्वर्ट करता है, राइट? तो जैसे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, आपका फोन ऑन नहीं होगा अगर आपके पास ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, राइट? तो यू हैव टू हैव एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, उसके ऊपर then you put other applications, and we will get to that in a second. So try to understand. So operating system is your Windows में तुम्हारे जैसे systems definitions हैं कि कैसे ये CPU को चलाएगा, right? How it utilizes your memory, your CPU, your visual hardware, etc. So it manages your hardware through this operating system. The operating system is the controller of your hardware. Exactly the same way, when we are growing up, we develop our operating system. And here are some of the pictures, images that I have tried to show how this operating system is developed. When we are born, we basically have no operating system. Our brain does not know anything, right? Except whatever it develops inside mother's womb. Whatever it learns. That's why people say, hey, you have to start, singing and reading and doing all those kind of things to the embryo, basically, when it starts growing, and they can learn from it. That is possibly true. That is probably true. And there are a lot of studies and researches done about that. Babies' brains start working from the day they have the physical brain operating. Okay, so whenever the brain is developed in their head, it starts absorbing, right? So that goes on for a period of time. There is no science.
I have a question. So when you say our operating system, in these pictures, what is an operating system here?
So operating system is your basic values, your fears, your traumas, your good experiences, happiness, unhappiness, all of these things, whatever you experienced in the first those building years. So say from the age of 0 to 10, as long as you're learning, actually we learn throughout our lives, but the basic operating system that you start working with is developed during the early years. And I would say 0 to 5, but I think it can go up to 0 to 10.
So when you are learning a language, your parents are teaching how to eat, your parents are teaching you, or your teachers are teaching you how to read and write. That's the operating system.
That's the operating system.
Getting our brain ready
Yes.
to whatever, to produce whatever
Right.
parts. Okay. All right.
Exactly. So just some people grow up with their siblings, depending on where they are in the hierarchies, how their parents are. If you have single parent, you have both parents, and how influential your teachers are, how much influence you have of religion, how much influence you have of people in your family and friends and neighborhood. It also matters in the neighborhood where you grew up, right?
Right.
All of these things combined make up your operating system. So some of the things that
So these are external factors, though.
External factors, mostly externally.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not born with those learned things. You learn from all these things, and then that's when you start telling your brain, hey brain, act this way. अभी यहाँ पे तुम कार चला रहे हो, कार एकदम से तुम्हारे सामने कोई आदमी आ जाए, you suddenly, without even thinking, brake it, right? That's your operating system telling your brain through your visual thing कि अच्छा brake लगा दो. So it automatically operates. Sometimes जैसे fears होते हैं.
Yeah, and that was my question, fear. So बचपन में जैसे हमें सिखाया जाता है उस अंधेरे कोने में मत जाना, बाहर अकेले मत जाना. So all those fears that are within us are also part of our operating system, our surroundings and the teachings we gather.
Exactly.
Okay.
Remember, हम लोग I don't know तुम्हारे यहाँ, but हमारे यहाँ हम लोग जब बड़े हो रहे थे तो पेरेंट्स हर चीज में नहीं ये मत करो, नहीं ये मत करो, यहाँ मत जाओ, ये, सो वी ग्रू अप विद द वर्ड नो फॉर एवरीथिंग,
No
राइट?
for a lot more than yeses.
यस एग्जैक्टली। हाँ,
Right.
यस तो सुनने को नहीं मिलता था। पिक्चर देखा है? नहीं। गोलगप्पे खा ले? नहीं। आइसक्रीम खा ले? नहीं। तो हर चीज नहीं 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 करके हम लोग पैदा हुए हैं। इसीलिए यू विल नोटिस कि जो हमारी जनरेशन है वो मोस्टली नो वाली है, और जो नई जनरेशन है दे डिस्कस दीज थिंग्स। अच्छा तुम आइसक्रीम अभी खाना खा लो ना, उसके बाद आइसक्रीम खाना, राइट? So there is more logical explanation of things than it used to be, right?
And I think they also have less fears because
Yes.
that's how they, yes,
Yes, they have
they are
less
more
fear.
open
Exactly.
to, they don't have that thing in their mind कि हमें fearful होना चाहिए.
Right,
They
exactly.
just believe in action and then they are prepared for any which way the results come back.
Right. The other thing is also the positive environment creates positive values, positive operating
Outcomes.
system, right?
Uh-huh.
Outcomes. Negative, the problem is negative has much worse effect when if it's embedded in your operating system, right? So operating system में अगर in those years if you had some kind of traumatic experience, right, like child abuse for example, or some kind of accident, somebody lost their family members or their parents or something, and the child experienced it, it will have a very long-term impact on that child, and that hardly ever goes away. It always stays in your mind. When you grow up, you may be able to manage the reaction, but the impact never goes away. It is always in your operating
So
system.
is that the operating system being damaged or something?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's a
Means
negatively,
whatever the
yeah,
damage
yeah,
was, the negatively impacted,
right, exactly,
not damage exactly,
right,
but okay.
right. Yeah.
Okay.
So there's physical damage and there is emotional damage, right? And
Okay.
emotional or operating system damage is that कि defective operating system है। अब आपके Windows में बहुत ज़्यादा security violations होते हैं, right? Everybody is trying to break this, and there are lots of loopholes, and people are invading it and doing all those damage. So it's similar thing. If you have a Mac, you will probably not have that many issues.
And like you said, even like a CPU. And so brain is a little bit different in a way that it's absorbing things all the time,
Right,
and
right.
everybody's capability of absorption is different too. For
Exactly.
some people that absorption stops pretty early, or because that's like a physical fault or whatever,
Right.
or structure of a brain.
Yeah.
And for some
Yeah.
people the brain just keeps working on and on and on, you know.
Yep.
So
And on that note, actually, CPU also, since you brought it up, and I will talk about that. I was going to talk about that later also. Your CPU circuitry, right? जो wiring जिसे कहते हैं ना, hard wiring जो हुई है, hard wiring is also different for everyone, right?
Right.
So सबकी hard wiring different है। तो तुम्हारा जैसे music के लिए orientation है, तुम्हारा किसी का art के लिए, किसी का theater के लिए, कुछ लोगों का science में, कुछ में logic में, कुछ का कुछ नहीं है। If you think about it, there are possibly 7 billion combination of physical brains and 7 billion operating systems, because none of them will match exactly the same. It's
Right.
not a production line where everything is developed exactly the same. But there are similarities. So two people growing in the same environment generally will have some similarities, right? So the operating system is all Mac, but there may be different versions of it, right? One is 9.0, the other one is 10.0. So whatever.
They'll still be different.
There will always be different. So that's the whole thing I was trying to get to. Now what happens is, this is where the actual apps come in. So computer or brain, don't know. Same thing, right? On top of your operating system. So what happens once you grow up, once you start understanding the world's ways, right? Then you start putting in your apps, right? Phone खरीदा आपने, phone आपको मिला blank, उसमें operating system load किया. Operating system load करने के बाद, then you started loading your apps. Apps are based on your personal liking.
Yeah,
right?
phone में तो समझ आया, computer में भी समझ आया, लेकिन brain में नहीं समझ आया. Please समझाओ.
just remember it this way.
Okay.
कि हर एक का जो ऐप है, ऐप is
Mhm.
based on the type of operating system they have, the type of hardware they have, right? क्योंकि
Okay.
हर एक का हार्डवेयर may not work. जैसे मान लो हमें वीडियो एडिटिंग करनी है, अब मेरे पास विंडोज 95 चल रहा है मेरे 1995 के लैपटॉप पे या पीसी पे, तो उस पे मैं वीडियो एडिटिंग कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ, because it doesn't work, right? So you have to think about it, and that's why you'll find sometimes key people are still living in those days, right? They are still using the old operating system. They did not upgrade their operating system throughout their life. Some people, because there are a couple of reasons. One is, hey, that's how their operating system was, because that's what they learned. They don't have the mental capability. Sometimes hardware does not allow you to, right? That's the difference. And this is why it's very fascinating to me when I think about it, the similarities. Think about how we operate. Now you think about all these people and think about them as computers.
I will. I'm already thinking about a few who
Yeah.
are operating on 1965 operating system.
but I think I'm operating on 2030's operating system already. So that's my thinking. That's so coming back to the apps. So everybody is loading the apps. Now what are the apps? So you like music, right? So you download music app. I download a workout app or exercise app. Brain app is how you present yourself. Every aspect of your presentation is your app, right? You take interest in certain things. You are an emotional person. That's your operating system. But what you do with those emotions can be app operated, right? You can use those emotions to become a poet. You can start writing literature. You can start performing on the stage. You become dancer. How you dress, right? How much or what kind of love you have for other people, how you love people, and whether you like to help other people or not, right? Your religious values, how much you pray, how you convince your mind that, hey, I'm going to be successful, I'm going to be happy. So all those are apps you put on top of your operating system.
How I understand is you are saying like app in a phone is very easy to get, right? Go to the app store and just pick one and download it, right? So literally download it. So the same way in our brain, if you're saying, how does it become an app? How some emotional people become a singer and some emotional people become a poet, or some emotional people become like a writer, or some emotional people actually just destroy themselves.
Right.
And also my second question is like looking at your picture, I see some people like there are whatever 6-7 people standing in a row. So do you think that herd mentality is an app as well?
You said it right. You become like everyone else. So these apps, because you talk to other people, hey, तुम्हारे पास ये ऐप है, अरे मुझे भी डाउनलोड करना है, तो you also download it. इसके पास iPhone 10 है, तो मुझे भी iPhone 10 लेना है. So these are the apps you're downloading. तो ये जो सारे apps हैं, when for everything that we do, our external presentation, and हम लोग जैसे कहते हैं मुखौटा लगा लेते हैं हम लोग, right? हम फादर का ऐप भी डाउनलोड किए हुए हैं, हम ब्रदर का भी ऐप डाउनलोड किए हुए हैं, हमने बेटे का भी वो डाउनलोड किया हुआ है, पत्नी का भी डाउनलोड किया हुआ है. तो these are all the apps. I act according to these apps because I have configured these apps for myself. कि अच्छा मैं ऐसा हस्बैंड हूँ या मैं ऐसा भाई हूँ या ऐसा. That's based on the operating system, right? Underneath all this is you have limitation of your operating system. Not limitation, it's a direction basically, right? Your operating system guide you.
What guides it? Yeah.
Right, exactly.
What guides it?
हाँ, कि सैमसंग में ये वाले ऐप्स लग सकते हैं, आईफोन में ये वाले ऐप्स लग सकते हैं, ये वाले कुछ ऐप्स ऐसे हैं जो दोनों में नहीं लग सकते, right?
Right.
तो इसी तरह का हमारा जो रोल हम लोग दुनिया में अदा करते हैं, या अपनी इमेज पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, these are all because of the apps.
Yes, got it.
Okay.
So just a question about the apps, that you also had a picture of devotion, you also had a picture of prayer, you also had a picture of just friends and hugging, and dancing. So apps can be all sorts, right? The joy
Exactly. Yep.
could be sad, it could be depressive, or it could be
Yeah.
very
And
friendly.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And apps जब चलते हैं, right? When you play an app, it has the presentation. So all of those things are part of the presentation. So anything external presentation is through an app, right?
Okay.
रोते भी हो या किसी के बच्चा पैदा हुआ तो the joy you get and all that, it's they work with your within your operating system mostly. So मेरे हार्डवेयर में वो म्यूजिक वाला वो नहीं है वायरिंग, तो वो जो सर्किटरी है वो सर्किटरी ब्रोकन है, बनी नहीं, तो वो म्यूजिक वाला ऐप कोई मेरे उसमें चलता ही नहीं है तो चाहे जितनी कोशिश कर लेता हूँ, so certain things don't work in certain environment. So what happens? Let's talk about malfunctioning systems.
Oh, this is what you were talking about.
Yes.
Music का वो नहीं था.
Circuitry नहीं थी. Exactly. So see this right here? Yeah, it's all broken right here. So just like in brain can malfunction. Just like computer, you can have broken parts. Brain can have the same thing. You can have hardware issues, or you can have operating system issues sometimes. You start getting errors like, hey, system error. We cannot figure it out what that is. That's coming from your operating system, right?
Can you give an example, like in real life, hypothetical example?
Right. So let me give you example. Somebody's operating system has a lot of fears, hidden fears, right? Somebody was abused as a child. They will have very difficult time relating with other people, right? Or somebody
being trusting
somebody. Fears will stop people from doing certain things, right? Taking certain actions. Like मेरे operating system में था कि नहीं business करना बुरी बात होती है, because businessmen सारे सब चोर होते हैं, सब बेईमान होते हैं. हमारे पिताजी ने सिखाया कि teaching or is noble work is a good thing, right? And doing service for the community, your people, that's a noble thing to do. तो मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, business कर ही नहीं पाया कभी. I couldn't do it. It kept on failing, right? So my operating system kept on failing. Every time I'll try to download an app and run it, it will run for a little bit and then fail. Like, well, you don't have enough memory, or you ran out of this. And तुम्हारी 2000 pictures तुम download कर रही हो अपने memory में, you ran out, right? It doesn't have it, so it doesn't load it. It cannot take any more pictures, right? Exactly the same thing happens because of your operating system, because of fears sometimes, right? जैसे तुम कह रही थी ना कि जैसे किसी चीज अंधेरे से फियर हो गया, मैं अंधेरे में कहीं जा नहीं सकता, राइट? लोगों को कितने तरह के फियर्स होते हैं, फोबियाज होते हैं, राइट? क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक. I was reading somewhere today that this girl, young girl who was abused, physically, sexually abused during her growing up years. Now she said, I cannot have relationships anymore. Because that fear, that mistrust is so deep in herself that she cannot run certain apps, right? The app is that she's having tough time having those relationships with opposite sex. So that's the defect we are talking about. So these defects in your operating system can stop your apps from running.
It's funny the way you are talking. In my mind, there are so many people right now that I'm thinking of, including myself. And I've started to think of them as computers. And I'm thinking, where is that thing where there is a flaw, there is a fault, or the positivity or the plus in them?
Yeah.
It's so funny. It's like coming in front of my eyes. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Yeah. Exactly.
Wow.
And that's why I can differentiate, and I will get to this point fixing things, right? Some of the things I will talk about and on how I feel or how I have been able to do or make changes to. I'm not saying I've fixed everything. No, the hardware साला वही बना हुआ है, वो तो कभी change नहीं होगा ना. तो एक चीज जो लोगों की समझ में नहीं आती है, And this is where very difficult to understand. If you can differentiate, then keep this in mind. तुम्हारा जो malfunctioning है, जो भी कुछ हो रहा है, वो तुम्हारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की वजह से है कि तुम्हारे ऐप की वजह से है. अगर इसको समझ लो, या तुम्हारे फिजिकल तुम्हारा सीपीयू पुराना है, राइट? कि जैसे मेरे आई नो मैटर व्हाट आई डू, आई कैन नॉट प्ले सितार, आई कैन नॉट प्ले वायलिन, आई कैन नॉट प्ले इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, राइट? बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव दैट हार्डवेयर, सर्किटरी नहीं है. I cannot develop it. Yeah, I can practice and practice and practice. Yes.
So that your CPU has a fault.
Yes.
Okay.
My CPU is deficient in certain way.
Okay.
But
okay.
there are things that people will argue, and I will counter argue that as well. कि practice करके सब कुछ हो जाता है. Practice खाली करके नहीं होता है.
No, I don't believe in that.
Yeah.
I always believe the talent has to come first, and then practice will make it more perfect.
Exactly.
You have to be born with that kind of a CPU.
Exactly. Okay.
That I agree.
Right. So.
Wow, that's deep. System errors. That kind of. I wouldn't deny it. I'm scared now.
Nervous breakdowns, right? Total breakdown. That's what that is. That's when. जब तुम्हारे एप्स सारे काम करने बंद कर दें, तो मान लो कि overnight I become a millionaire, right? And all of a sudden next day I say, अच्छा मैं जाके ये खरीद लूंगा, ये बना लूंगा, घर को ऐसा कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा. All of a sudden you start getting these apps, right? And तो आपने डाउनलोड कर लिया, लेकिन आपको ऑपरेट करना तो आता नहीं है. आपने कभी ऐप्स चलाए नहीं वो वाले, क्योंकि बिल्कुल नए ऐप्स हैं. और सिस्टम जो था आपका, वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तो ही पुराना वाला है.
Right.
And system totally crashes. Says, no, I cannot do that. That's when you get this system error, the total breakdown of your system. When your apps and your operating system and your physical thing they are totally out of sync with each other.
When does that happen? Example.
A lot of times it happens through emotional issues as well. I'm just focusing only on when you have mental issues develop.
Okay.
Nervous system, right? When
okay.
you are so overwhelmed emotionally. So मान लीजिए somebody's child dies, right? They have total nervous breakdown or some sort, right? When your system stops functioning. Because that came suddenly from, it's like an overall system crash, overloaded. Overheated. So that's the system crash. That takes a long time that takes rebuilding, right? You have to rebuild the entire system. You have to upload the entire operating system. You have to upload all the apps again. So that's a much bigger issue, but that can also happen, right? I was thinking, so ye sab kis liye? Why am I talking about all this, right? If you think about it, every individual has some limitation somewhere. Every individual has some defect somewhere. There is not a laptop, there is not a software that is built till date which is 100% perfect, right?
Yeah.
There's always something, because not because there is a defect, but what happens is over a period of time, when you start using it, something gets burned. For example, physical, your fan burned out, or your something defected, pani gir gaya, jo bhi hai. Those kind of things happen because you're dealing in rough conditions all the time. Your brain is dealing with it. And then operating system gets challenged. Sometimes you get trauma. Sometimes things that are not right fed into your operating system. So it is defective. Your apps, they all have bugs, and sometimes you don't know how to operate them. So when these things happen, you have to fix some of these things to make sure that you continue on with your life. You continue on in a way that you don't become dysfunctional. So what happens is there are two or three aspects. So now here I have added the soft side, the emotional side aspect of it, right? The heart. Sometimes you use your heart. Heart actually, literally, physically has no impact on your brain. Heart's job is just to pump. But what we call heart is, we'll have that topic some other time, but they are connected somehow, right? The brain and heart have to connect somewhere. And that's what we're talking about. So,
Okay.
it's finding the balance and connecting the two. Uh, the thing that I didn't talk about earlier was how you can fix these things. Fixing requires two or three things. One is first understanding your physical aspect, how capable you are. Secondly, understanding your operating system, where operating system works well, where it doesn't work well, what your traumas are, what your fears are, what are the things that have left those marks in your brain that can have negative reaction to it, right? So when you are uploading, downloading your apps into your brain, always remember this: is my operating system ready to run this app or not, right? When somebody says, hey, why tum gaate kyun nahi, yeah, play some music or something, मुझे पता है कि मेरा जो फिजिकल और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है उनमें कुछ वो बनता नहीं है, तो ऐप में तो लगा लूंगा लेकिन चलेगा नहीं, फायदा नहीं है, तो काहे को खाम है, तो I will rather use my energy and effort in the apps that I know will work better for me, right?
But
where
then,
I see the results.
But the thing is, sometimes when you, especially I know about you, sometimes when you say like that, people don't understand it, right? And they'll keep on arguing. क्यों नहीं कर सकते यार? Come on यार, इतना कौन सा मुश्किल है? अब जिसके लिए आसान है उसके लिए तो आसान है.
Exactly.
लेकिन still, like तुम्हारा ही example लेते हैं इस बात पे, fixing up the system. I and some other people, actually your friends, have forced you to sing or to try something.
Right.
So rather from a zero, from not singing at all, you have at least come to a point where some of the poetic expressions you can sing in a tune or a little bit. So how is that in your mind? Like, how does that connect to the brain theory that you have?
So that's it. Okay. So this is what happens. So like मैंने एक app download कर लिया. It is not 100% compatible with my operating system, right? But it works. But it's like कि picture तो दिखाई दे रही है लेकिन distorted picture है, right? Audio आ रहा है लेकिन वो distorted audio आ रहा है. So that's how my operating system will not work properly. It will work. Yeah, you can hear the sound coming, but it's distorted sound. But at the end of the day, our goal is to synchronize our hardware, operating system, and apps. And that should be the key. If you focus on those things. Now, one last point I will make, and then we'll move on. Important thing is fixing is, remember I was talking about कि जो 95 का operating system लेके बैठे हैं उसी में अपने apps upload करते जा रहे हैं. You have to, if you want to grow, what we call a mental growth, you have to upgrade your system, right? You have to learn how to upgrade your system, and what that upgrade is. So what you learn when you mature, कहते हैं ना कि हाँ ये बंदा तो काफी mature है, तो ये mature कैसे हुआ? Because this person has been upgrading their operating system. The after जो initial जो operating system बना था वो बना था, लेकिन उसके बाद से people keep on upgrading it. People keep on changing their values, fixing their dark spots, fixing their colored spots. When app is not running, you realize that मेरी relationships नहीं हो रही हैं, या मेरी relationships टूट रही हैं, or I'm hurting other people, or I'm hurting myself, I'm getting depressed. So I realize कि यहाँ पे कुछ spots हैं जिनको मुझे fix करना है. You must have that level of intelligence and drive to do that, and that's the important thing. जो mental growth होती है, उस mental growth के लिए it is important कि you constantly upgrade your system. And if you keep on upgrading your system, you will progress in your human growth, what you call it. When you are upgraded to your most upgraded operating system, you will be able to run better apps, right? That's why you say कि अच्छा हाँ ये तो गाना कितना अच्छा गा लेता है, ये कितना अच्छा.
So the growth will be cumulative.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I loved your brain theory.
Most important thing is when everything is at sync, then you get this calm. So this is a boat. I don't know if you can see it well or not.
Yes, it is.
It's a boat on water. It's a reflection, right? Yeah. The reflection and the boat में कोई फर्क नहीं है. it looks like it's just a mirror image of it, right? Exactly, that's what it is. And that's how clean your water should be, where you see yourself. You should be able to see yourself exactly with 100% clarity, and that's where you want to be. So
Wow.
that was my brain theory.
Wow. Amazing. But before you go, I will not let you go like that. I
Okay.
finally understood your brain theory.
Okay.
Would you, in like small bullet points, because तुम अपनी theory को अच्छी तरह जानते हो. You talk to me, and I'm sure our listeners will listen to this theory and try to understand. I now much better understand what you're trying to say.
Mhm.
But then, how do we become aware of our operating system? It has a fault in it. How do we start looking into ourselves to find that fault so that we can fix those faults and we can have like better apps download to us? And who are the people or things that help us find better apps to download into us? So can you talk a little bit about that?
Okay, so finding or knowing or bringing that awareness. I think we had similar conversation about in our another episode, blind to blindness, right?
Yes.
Almost
Yes.
exactly the same thing. Awareness is extremely important. Again, the awareness comes from when you have experiences, when you have level of thinking. At least sometimes you think, God, why am I depressed all the time? Or what are the crazy things that I'm doing? Am I hurting other people? Am I happy? Am I happy? No. If I'm not happy, why am I not happy? I think the most important thing is you start asking yourself questions.
Okay.
Questions to yourself. If you have that level of ability, which almost everybody does, unless you have physical distortion of your mind or of your brain, everybody should have that level of, and believe it or not, everybody knows their shortcomings.
Yes.
There is not a person who does not know their shortcomings.
Most of us know that.
Most of us know that. We know that.
We are
Sometimes we
aware
are
of
blind. Sometimes we are blind to our blindness. That's our app behavior.
Yeah.
But in operating system, we know our shortcomings. We know where our dark points are, where colored patches are. If you know that, it is easier to fix it. So start asking these questions, and then start asking. So based on this patch in my operating system, which app is not working, right? अगर मान लो कि relationship problem है, right? You know you have a problem with your relationships. There is something wrong in my operating system. If you can differentiate between your app, it could be just app problem. It does not have to be. I have seen a lot of people, and a good example. That's a good example is they have very good operating system, but their app is so old or bad app because they don't know how to present themselves right. They are such good people, right? Deep down, they have a perfect operating system, but they don't know how to operate their app. They have gotten bad app for whatever reason. They heard it from other people. The influences कि किसी की शादी में गया उन्होंने कहा अच्छा हाँ वो तो तुम इतना मोटा वो सोने के वो पहन के आना, that will be the right thing for for you. And they so sometimes they don't have right way to operate their app, and that can hurt them in maintaining those or creating those relationships. And some people you can think of top of your head, yeah, you're such a good person, but person does not have good image in the public, right? Once you understand whether it's your app or your operating system, once you figure that out, then you work on those.
So to fix the app, can we look at our friends for help? Yes. or people we trust for help?
App is good to get advice from other people, right? From your friends, your family, people you interact with.
Okay.
Operating system, either you do it yourself or you go to a professional. So that's why people go to psychiatrists or counselors, right? So those counselors go deep into that's what they do. They go into your operating system and figure it out where that patch is. If you are not able to figure it out yourself, like what they call it, suppressed memories, right?
Subconscious mind sometimes.
Not really subconscious. Sometimes people forget some trauma.
No, also some traumas, it stays in your subconscious mind, and you don't have a way to put a finger on it to find out what it is actually.
Yeah. And it's so deep down in your memory, suppressed, that the counselor will unlayer it and open it up. They have their ways of getting it out. So when they get it out, then you realize, oh man, that was the problem. So it's like you go for MRI, right? So counselor does that MRI for you.
So like I have been joking all along when you used to talk about your brain theory, but it has been a very, very interesting conversation. I really understood it, and I think I'm already thinking of things how I can upgrade my operating system so that I can download better apps and present myself better. I think I'm talking your language. And
thank you.
This
thank
is
you
a
so
very,
much.
very interesting. It was a very interesting talk.
We will be back with another episode sometime soon. Thank you, and good night. Good week ahead.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's my take.